Alright, artists, grab your markers and let's create a magical princess. First, we start with the crown. Yes, the crown comes first, because every princess needs to sparkle. Don't worry if it looks a little wobbly at first. Even royal crowns need a few practice tries. Now, let's draw her bangs and a soft outline of her face. Nice and gentle. We don't want an angry potato. We want a lovely princess. Time for the nose. Right in the middle. It can be just a tiny dot. Boop, that's it. Now the eyes, big circles. And right under the neck, draw a fluffy fur collar. Make it nice and soft. Little zigzags or tiny bumps. So cozy. Maybe it's a bit chilly in the palace today. Okay, now we can slow down a little. Let's add her shoulders and long sleeves. Imagine she's about to wave from a castle balcony. Oh, maybe there's a dragon flying far away. Now we draw her waist. A little slimmer and then a long beautiful dress flowing down like a waterfall. Swish! Take your time here. Add folds, sparkles, maybe even tiny stars if you want. Finally her hair. Big, white, fabulous princess hair. Does it blow in the wind? Is it curly? Straight? Super long? You decide. And now, color everything however you like. Maybe she has golden hair and a blue dress, or pink hair and a green gown. It's your fairy tale. Look at that, our princess is ready for her royal adventure. Did you know that almost every princess traveling in the world has big eyes? That's because big eyes make characters look extra cute and friendly. So if your princess has giant sparkly eyes, congratulations! You are officially a royal artist. I choose a red cape. Do you like it? Red also makes her stand out like a true royal star. I love it. What do you think? Should we add little golden sparkles to the cape too? And a green dress. Oh, I love that. A red cape and a green dress. That's a bold royal combo. She looks ready for a winter ball. Or maybe she's the princess of the ancient forest. See you next time. Bye.